I feel second visits don't only have to be about going to that same place and ticking off newer things, but it can be going to the same place again and discovering something new in that Eiffel Tower area, right? Now, that's one way of looking at it, where you go to the same place in a city and find something new. But another way of looking at it is going to that same city, but that second visit could be during a different season. Now, through all of the travels that you have done in this world, like, give us an example where you've gone to a place a second time, probably during a different season, and I just want to know how you felt.
Now, you spoke of Japan a lot. Japan itself, Neil, all through the year changes its face, right?
Yeah.
You go during springtime, you have the famous cherry blossoms, but I love autumn better, I think. And I went to South Korea during autumn, and we went to Nami Island. And the colors, the deep reds, the oranges, the browns that you see during autumn are just stunning. I think we spent one whole day just doing photography because we just enjoying and just lying in the park and enjoying the trees. So a lot of these places will offer you different things to do during different seasons, and you get to see that, right? You do the same thing in Canada and the US on the East Coast especially. Again, you have the autumn and the spring and the summer. So Washington DC gets its own cherry blossoms, but during autumn it's a completely different scene. And our own Kashmir, like they always
I
say,
was just going to come to that.
enjoy 4 seasons in Kashmir. You haven't done it till you've gone and seen 4 seasons in Kashmir. So every place changes. And you know, another factor to all of this is if you go down to the southern hemisphere, then you have the seasons reversed.
Yeah,
So if you are missing the snow in peak of summer in June, July, August, go to Australia
Yeah.
and go to Mount Buller and enjoy the snow there. You know, if you want sunshine during winter and you want the sun, then go to Queensland. Go to it during December, Jan, February, and you have the sun all there for you. So I think it's a very good point. Going back again and again and discovering the same place during different seasons, it's like doing two completely different trips.